Hello, friends. Welcome to AHA. Would you like to hear a story of Spike, a little cactus? Once upon a time, in a sunny desert, there was a little cactus named Spike. Spike had a big dream. He wanted to make friends and spread joy in dry, sandy lands. But there was one problem. Whenever Spike tried to approach other plants, his sharp needle scared them away. Poor Spike felt lonely and sad. One day, after a gentle rain shower, a rainbow appeared in the sky. Spike looked up and smiled. He had an idea. He decided to paint his pricky needles in beautiful colors, just like the rainbow. As Spike painted his needles, he felt a tickling sensation. When, when he looked in the mirror, he couldn't believe his eyes. His needle transformed into soft, fluffy flowers of all colors. Excitedly, Spike went to meet the other plants. They were amazed by his vibrant appearance. They gathered around him, admiring his colorful flowers. From that day on, Spike became the friendliest cactus in the desert. He made everyone laugh and smile with his colorful personality. The desert was no longer a lonely place, thanks to Spike's blossoming friendship. And so the little cactus named Spike taught everyone that even though we may look different, we can still be friends and bring happiness to one another. Thank you. Hope you liked this story.